make it with some cornbread and some white rice. Here are my ingredients, y'all. I have me a nice tender chuck roast that's gonna be just falling off. Well, there's not a bone, but you know, when you dig in it, even with a spoon, it's just gonna fall apart, y'all. We're gonna make this.
It's gonna be tender, y'all. That's what she's trying to say. It's gonna be tender. It's nice. It's gonna be nice, juicy, and tender.
The oven today, we do not need a crock pot. And then I have all my seasonings. I got some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some dried thyme. I also keep some minced garlic or chopped garlic in my fridge at all times because I just love garlic, and garlic adds so much flavor to your meals. We also have some organic beef stock. Some people can use beef broth. It don't matter, beef stock, beef broth, beef anything, just beef. You can use it. I also got some Worcestershire sauce. I got my red skin potatoes that I'm going to cut up into fours or slices or whatever. Some baby carrots, y'all. Got there from Whole Foods. And we got us a nice little onion that we're going to slice up. You feel me? So before we get into this video, make sure you guys just like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, make sure you guys tune in for the rest if y'all want to get.
Y'all like, comment, subscribe to us too. You like her cooking videos? Y'all like pot roast? Let me know, okay?
Down and dirty with the pot roast, period. Alright, y'all, so I moved everything to the back of me so I could just chop my potatoes. If y'all hear noise in the background, that's Legend playing with his toys as he should, because, you know, Christmas just passed and he better be playing with them toys I spent my money on. Yeah, this right here, that's a little bad piece of potato that I won't be using right there. If it's a bad piece of the potato, honey, don't use it. Just throw that right in the can. So I'm gonna just dice my potatoes to my liking. I want mine to be small, like in little small chunks. We have our potatoes cut up and I'm about to wash them. Yes, y'all, wash your potatoes. Wash your potatoes. Now that we got our potato wash, y'all, I'm going to start chopping my onion. Well, not even chopping it, just slicing it. This is a yellow onion. You can use a white one, a purple one, whatever onion you want to use, okay? If y'all can, I still don't know yet, how do you freaking cut an onion without crying? A lot of people said cut it without cutting the eye. Hi, Legend, are you okay? Are you sleepy? What's that? Say potato? That's a potato. Potato, baby. Mommy's cooking. I'm gonna take the skin off this onion. Cooking. Yes, most people say don't cut the eye, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna just run it under some cold water for now and then begin to slice. Alright, y'all, so after crying for so long, we have.
Does that happen to y'all? I don't know. My eyes will tingle a little bit, but I don't be crying like that. It don't make my eyes water that bad.
Our veggies prepped. We have our chopped potatoes, chopped onions, and baby carrots. Some people put celery in their pot roast. I choose not to. I don't really care for celery like that. But yeah, these right here, these are my babies. This is gonna make it taste delicioso. Okay? We're going to start setting this to the side. Okay, push it away. And we're starting to season our
Cooking with Queen and all these accents, she got me going. First she had the little Texan, now she got the little Italian for you. I wonder what's next. Hey, Legend.
Hot roast. First, I'm gonna take a spoon. I'm gonna just start poking the roast. I'm gonna poke it with this big old fork so all the seasonings can get mixed inside there. We want nice, tender, flavorful beef. We want that beef to be nice and flavored. I'm gonna season it with some salt, y'all. And yes, I'm using the Umbrella Lady. I'm using the Umbrella Lady. Garlic powder, black pepper, some thyme. I do have adobo in my cabinet. However, I chose not to use adobo because I just wanted to, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna do that nice and you know, we're gonna like try to get those seasons in there, and then we're going to do the same thing to this side. What we have is a pot that I'm about to put some garlic and herb butter in, the Kerrygold kind. I'm gonna let that melt in this pot, and then after that, I am going to start browning all 4 sides. Yes, I said all 4, because the sides too. All 4 sides of my roast. Look at that, y'all. Nice and herby. We're going to put this in the pan and start browning it. All right, we're gonna flip this over now and brown the other side. What I'm gonna also do is go ahead and add my Worcestershire sauce all onto it so it can have that nice brown, that pretty brown, loving me wild. Hold it on one side so that it can cook. Now our pot roast is nice and brown. Now I'm about to set it to the side real quick. I'm gonna set that on the side. And we're gonna add our minced garlic. Add our veggies. Put our carrots in there. And then we're going to add our beef stock.
I can smell it. She ended up using adobo anyway.
Place this back in here with everything. So move the veggies out the way, put them on the sides if you could, or even on the top. Save some room. All right, y'all, so I preheated my oven to 325. I'm gonna cook this for 3 hours. It looks amazing, y'all, already. Before I do that, y'all, we wanna make sure this is not too liquidy. So what I did is, I took me 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, this right here, it's cornstarch, to 1 cup of water, and I'm gonna mix this. Cold water, make sure the water is cold, y'all, because the liquid inside the pan is hot, so we have to make sure it's not clumps of cornstarch. This to it so that it thickens it all up. While this is cooking, I'm going to put my rice on a boil so it can be done already. Well, I'll probably do that in like an hour or so, a couple of hours. But I will be back, you guys. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start my cornbread, and I'm gonna just show y'all really quick what I use. This is Martha White buttermilk cornmeal mix. I'm not gonna use Jiffy because Jiffy is like, it's gonna be too sweet for this because I'm gonna add brown sugar and also some vanilla almond milk, just because I like it a little sweet. Y'all can use whatever milk y'all want, whatever kind. It calls for 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and we got the mix, 2 cups of this. And then I'm going to mix that all in, and then I'm going to actually take my butter and like grate the butter like cheese, so it can be clumps of butter in there. And then I'm gonna throw a little bit brown sugar, however much I want, in that mix. And then I'm going to set that aside. So this is the result of the roast. It's all finished now. It actually tastes very good, very flavorful. This is a spoon, y'all. So this is how you know it's like tender, because I'm cutting into it with a spoon. It falls off of the spoon. This is the rice. I seasoned it with some garlic sea salt, some garlic herb butter, and oh Lord, and some pepper. Honey butter cornbread is making right now. When it fully rises, I'm gonna take it out, put some butter on the top of that, and some honey. Just taking some butter. This is hot. I'm just putting it over. Take some honey. amaze balls. Alright, y'all, so I never ended out the video. I never got a chance to show you guys the plate, but I think I have a picture of it, so I'll have it pop up. It's been a couple of days, and I've somehow got pink eye. I don't know how I got it. It was way worse yesterday. So yeah, ignore my pink eye. I'm trying to best.
Queen! Oh my gosh. I mean, y'all pray for the royal family. I mean, Claire got COVID. She got pink eye. What in the world? What is going on? Golly.
I can't to make it go away. I got like eye drops. But the thing I can say about the pot roast, I would like to try it in a crock pot actually. I know that's like the 6 to 8 hour thing. So I will try that soon. And another thing I want to say, it was really good and flavorful. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I think I chose a pot roast that just had too much fat. I was trying my hardest to find like the parts without the fat and just the meat, but it was very hard to. Overall though, it tasted really like tasty, but I do want to try it again. I want to try to find one with like less fat because it was just, I know fat brings a flavor, but also it's just like, I don't like to chew on like soggy fat, stuff like that.
I don't really like fat like that on my meat. I don't like it at all actually. So that's the first thing I do before I cut it good. I cut all the fat off.
So try it again probably off camera, and yeah, that's about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking vlog, this video. I'm about to I don't know what I'm about to do, but I'm about to do something. I'm about to just end this out and continue the rest of my day. Also, this video is from 2021. I also want to say Happy New Year's to you guys. We're in 2022 now because I waited a couple days.
Happy New Year, y'all.
I do want to do a 2022 question and answer, but I have to get the questions from y'all, so I'll do that soon. But just stay tuned for the rest of my channel, and love y'all. Peace out.
Thank y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.